Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get the AZ filter on TikTok. It's a really quick and easy video, so follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you have to open your TikTok application on your device and make sure to get logged into your TikTok account. Now, once you get logged into your TikTok account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, from here, tap on Discover option at the bottom left of your screen, and there you will be taken to this type of page. And there you have to search for AZ filter. Once you search for it, you will be able to see these different filters on your screen as well as the videos where AZ filters has been used. Now to get this AZ filter, you have to tap on one of these effects. And from here, you have to tap on use this effect button at the bottom of your screen. And then you will be directly taken to the camera section of TikTok. Now you can take a photo or video using this AZ effect. Once you're done with video, you can tap on the tick mark at the right side of your screen. Now you can save or upload a video or photo that you have taken using that AZ filter. Now that's how you can get the AZ filter on TikTok. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.